Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dimelo Sabi, the freaking Rican. I posted some photos of my Ryker Rally with some tire stickers, and you guys were asking how do I get them, how to order them, and let me tell you, this is the video you guys need to watch because I'm gonna show you how to buy them, how to install them, where you can make your Ryker Rally look awesome. All right, stay tuned right after the intro.
Dímelo, Xavi, the freaking Ryker, Latino worldwide, yeah. Sigo con lo mismo, el corillo activo. Vacilo por si mañana no vivo. Quiero que me paguen todo en efectivo. No me acuesto temprano, mañana efectivo. La nena ven motora y se van a todas. La doña me ven y se incomoda. Tengo que explicarle que yo soy la moda. Latino taíno, el galán de tu boda. Estoy más duro que me pongo abuela. Clásico como la tarde de novela. En mi sala tengo.
All right, guys, I'm gonna leave a link in my description onto how to get these tire stickers. The site's called tirestickers.com. It's gonna send you the link. If you click on my link, it's gonna send you right to where I got my tire stickers at. So it's gonna send you straight into here. This product is the one that has the top and bottom. If you guys do not want the top and bottom, I know they have different prices on them. So you could just get the top and they give you a price for that. I chose the top and bottom. I chose on product type. I chose the permanent ones. They do have temporary ones, which is peel and stick. I do not know how they work, so I did not choose those. I chose these, which is the permanent ones. Type of decal, which is the size you want. I chose 175. I know the back tire is this is what I want for the back tire. There's a place in the notes. I'm gonna let them know once we get there that I want two different sizes. Color, they have different color. They have white, yellow, orange. They have a picture also of the colors available. You could click on the picture and choose the color you want. Remember, this is custom made for you, so it's your likings, whatever you want to do. Also, there's a picture of the fonts they have available. You choose the font you want on your bike. I chose Chunk 5. So there's a drop down and you just choose whatever font you want on your tire stickers. Phrases on top. This is what you want to put on the top. Ryker Rally, either Ryker 900, whatever you guys want on your tires to say. Let's say I put Ryker Rally. You got the phrase on the bottom. I put, let's say, Can-Am. Whatever you guys want. If you got a YouTube channel, whatever, go ahead and Dimelo Savi, which is my YouTube channel. Whatever you guys want on the bottom, you go ahead and place it in there. Tire sizes. I know the tire sizes are a little different for the Rykers. Either the Rally or the Ace is different. You got the Ryker Rally. This is what you guys are going to place in here, all right? I'm going to leave it on the information for you guys to just copy and paste it. Like that. All right? I got these numbers from the tires on my Ryker Rally. So if you got the original tires on your Ryker Rally, these are the numbers you guys are going to need, all right? So just go ahead and copy and paste it. Or if you're looking at it right now, go ahead and start plugging it in if you're on the site right now. And then on notes, I'm going to let them know it's an offset. I want an offset, which means it's not just 1.75 I want. All right. They're going to send you 4 stickers. There's going to be 2 big ones for the back and 2 small ones for the front. You're going to have an extra sticker if you don't want to put it on the other side of the Ryker Rally, which is kind of hard. I did not put mine on the other side of the Ryker Rally. I'm thinking about it. I don't know yet if I'm going to put them on. Once you guys see the video of the installation and the finished product, well, you guys wouldn't be able to see what I'm talking about. All right. So on the notes, you guys are going to put offset. And I'm going to let them know that the front tires are going to be 1.15. These are the ones I want the front tire sizes to be. All right. And then the back tire are gonna be 1.75. all right. Also, guys, if you guys have different tires, either from the Ryker Rally, and you want to know what's the biggest you could put on these tires, they do have a calculator here. Let's say the back tire, right? 205 over 55 on the Ryker Rally. Let's calculate it. It says the maximum size I could put is 1.75. I went the biggest for the back. Let's go ahead and check the front. Okay. All right. The front sizes are 145 over 60. Let's go ahead and calculate it. And it says the biggest I could go is 1.25. All right. So I went 1.15, a little bit lower. Make it nice, make it big, however you guys want. If you guys want it small, however you guys want your motorcycle to look. All right. They have additional services here. Rush my order, please. It says in 1 day productions versus standard is 3 to 5 business days. I'm not gonna lie. They do ship out pretty fast, and it took about 5 days to get here. So it's up to you if you want to pay the $14.99. They got a prove it graphic preview before productions. This is a must. I did choose this because when they sent me the photo of how these would look on my bike. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the email they sent me. They sent me an email which stated all this here, and it tells that they sent a graphic preview is ready and your design can be reviewed. So they send you a graphic preview of what the tires are gonna look. I saw it. I was like, you know what? This looks funky. I don't like it. I don't like the letters. They're lowercase. You know, I want them uppercase. So I wrote to them. I said, you know what? I don't like them. I want them uppercase. They was like, all right, sure, we got that done for you. Next day, they sent me these Ryker Rally. I was like, you know what? This is what I want. I approved it and I sent it over. That's why I paid the $3.99. I didn't want it to go blind. You know, I had a vision on my bike. This is what I want. I want to customize it like this, and this is how I want it. It did everything at my likings. All right. So if you choose that $3.99, I think it's well worth it. They're gonna send you it before they make it and say, hey, this is how it's gonna look. Do you like it or not? And you go ahead and approve it. They do have Los Angeles installation warranty. If you want to put a warranty on it, I don't know what's that about. I'm not from LA, so I did not choose that. Such as rubber leather cleaning. I know the kit comes with one. So if you need an extra one, you could go ahead and buy one. And it has also the tire shine if you want to put that on there. Mighty Green tire prep cleaner. I didn't choose none of these. So I did go ahead and I said, you know what, this is what I want. You know, go through everything you want. It tells you what do you want to write on the top. Make sure that's that's okay. The example of the tires, and then everything. Make sure everything's all right here. Make sure you clicked on everything you wanted, and you said, you know what, this is what I want to pay. This is what I want. Go ahead and add to your cart. All right. After that, you do the payment, wait till the email comes out, approve or disapprove, and let them know what is it that you want to change about the tires. If you did get the $3.99, if not, go ahead and wait. It takes about 5 days to get to your house after everything's made and ready to go, and then time to install. So let's go ahead and move over on how to install these. Okay, guys. Hey guys, I want to take the time right now to thank you for stopping by and watching my videos and hitting the like and subscribe. If you haven't done it, I want to invite you to go ahead and do it. Hit that like and subscribe. It helps my channel. And let me tell you, it's completely free. Thanks in advance. Today we're going to be working on the tires. We got some stickers from TireStickers.com, where we're going to make these tires look a little bit better than what they look right now. We got some white letterings to make it look like it's some type of racing machine on the Can-Am. First step we're going to be doing, we're going to degrease these tires. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some Easy Off Cleaner Degreaser. A little bit of soap and some water. We'll be scrubbing out the grease out of these tires here to get these stickers on and ready to go. After you apply that degreaser, get your sponge and go ahead and rub the tires with some water and some dish washing soap. Then you're gonna rinse it off with your hose. And you're gonna let it dry for a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and place the stickers on the tire and see how they're gonna line up. Alright, we already got one of the R's already put on. We're gonna go ahead and start adding some glue to the letters. We're not gonna add a lot of glue to it, and you're just gonna scribble it around the letters here. Alright, without pressing the bottle. You don't want to put a lot of glue because it makes the tires look nasty. It happened to my first ones we just put in, and you're just gonna scribble it around, you know, while pressing. We're able to get the excess of glue out of the tire with a little sandpaper. Alright, you see? If you see a lot of glue around, you just scribble it to the areas that you don't see a lot on. This glue is mighty, it's strong. It glues your fingers to everything. So just watch out not getting that glue on your fingers. Alright, so we're going to keep on doing this to the tires and the letters. And then we're going to just glue them on. This is easy peasy. It's not hard at all. It's easy peasy. Alright, we're going to place these two onto the tire. And then we're going to press hard on them so they can stick. Press hard on them so they can stick. And then after they stick to the tire, you're gonna go ahead and do the same process on the last other two letters that you have there. And this is the process you're gonna keep continuing doing on the other tires also. You could also take the tires off. There's this extra work. I didn't want that extra work. I didn't take the tires off. Alright, perfect. Now, like I said, same process with these other letters here. It's a little tricky. It's not hard at all. It's a nice hot day. Make sure you do this on a hot day. I did it while it was raining and it was a pain. Make sure the sun's out. Helps a lot. And to keep these stickers and have the glue stick and dry as quick as possible. some pressure to it, or it could get the little molding of the tire. Go ahead and peel it off so you guys can take a look at it. The letters also have some plastic on top of it to give it a protective seal in reference to the white of the letters there. And as you can see, it's getting their I was gonna say Ryker Rally. We started out with the R to be able to align it to the middle. So this is our starting point. That's why we started with the letter that was alone, which is part of the Ryker here. So we were able to put it in the middle, and we start from there. And we're gonna start with Degrease, which is the one part that goes down here. We're gonna continue doing the same process. You guys keep continue doing the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this, and then I'll just show you once I'm finished the whole bike how it looks with the stickers. All right, guys, this is the finished product. What you guys think? All right, I'm gonna get a little bit closer now. I don't know, I'm loving it. Really appreciate you guys coming through my channel. Remember to like and subscribe. I got a lot of things I'm thinking about putting on this bike. I also do all kinds of different videos. So stay tuned to Degrease, the freaking Rican. I appreciate your support. God bless. Stay safe. Have fun.